Hi everyone, I am from Green Bandhu's Organic Farm and I am standing in front of a moringa tree which is there at our farm. A few days back it was full of flowers and today there are a lot of small drumsticks which you call it in English. It is also called Sajna data, Sajna data, Sojne data and Sajan ka saag, Sajan ki dandi. So this plant has a lot of health benefits. People consume the leaves, the flowers, as well as the drumsticks, which is used in sambar. It is used in a Bengali dish called chachda and shukto, which is a very famous Bengali dish. You can just order from us. We will be soon introducing this in the basket. Everyone, people who have already started ordering from us already have got a sample of the green chili. These are the very hot chilies that we had introduced way back in December. The next lot became less hot and now again they are in full form. We have a lot of chilies with us. We are giving it away as free samples right now with the basket. Avail the opportunity before we start selling it. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, hope everyone is safe. I am from Green Bandhu's Organic Farm and I'm here to update you about the new vegetables available at our farm. So here you can see is a gold lauki which is very small in size at the moment. We are all set to produce a lot of laukis. It has been framed and now we are all ready and we have already started getting our own vegetables. Here you have the tomatoes. A lot of the tomatoes got wasted due to the lockdown. We did not have clients to buy it, but we still have a lot of it. We would like you to taste it. These are organic and as you know, Haryana is quite hot right now, so it is almost off season to be able to provide you desi variety of tomatoes grown in Haryana or in Baliawaz, which is a village very close to Gurgaon, where we have our farm, Green Bandhu's Organic Farm. We have a lot of brinjals which previously we have donated for food supplied to the people who needed it, and we have bharta bangan as well. Here we have a lot of tomatoes, more tomatoes. These are the desi varieties. In summers our area has hybrid varieties which we have already planted, but the desi varieties have a very good taste. It is quite sour. You can order these before the season ends. This is a baby bhindi and a fully grown bhindi, and this is 100% organic. The plant will go through the 1G cut, the first generation cut, to increase the fruiting. This is the new hybrid variety of tomato which we are planning to sell throughout the summer season. The plants are very small as you can see and they have a lot of fruits on it. These will be tight when they can stay for longer in this weather. The desi variety is tastier, but this variety has a better shelf life because it is okay to grow hybrid variety in the summer seasons. Here's the last lot of onions left which you have already tasted. This is the chapal kaddu. We are growing this for the first time at our farm. It's come out very well. It's a very tasty fruit. We have also tried to send this as a sample with some of the baskets, so you must try them. Do you see the Karela, bitter gourd? Many of you love it. I hope we'll soon be able to provide these from our farm. Here's a bigger one. Organic fruits like the gourds and the tomatoes have an exceptional taste and fragrance. We have a very good quality of garlic which we have just taken out from our land. That also has an amazing taste. Please do try all our fruits and vegetables. As you can see, this is a zucchini. We have grown zucchini for the first time as well. We have two varieties. One is the green and the orange. The green one has started fruiting. The orange one is yet to start. And we are yet to provide you the zucchini with the basket. Many of you have requested for watermelon, organic watermelon which are not injected. So the status of the watermelon is here. We have two a little grown melons and a lot of small melons. We are also growing them for the first time, and it's very interesting to see the baby melons. Here's a very small one, and here's slightly bigger one. Initially I showed you a much older one. This time we have started another variety of pumpkin. The usual variety will also be there, but this is the one which will be a little longer and bigger in size. This variety has also started fruiting, but the birds, they are pecking on them, so we are still struggling. It's struggle for the fittest, Charles Darwin's theory, and that's how an organic farm survives. The birds live with the plants, and once the fruiting exceeds the birds' hunger, we should be able to provide for you.